Hello everybody, my name is FranzZockt and in this tutorial I will show you how you can edit the textures of the CAW mode or the car mode in Smackdown Here Comes the Pain for the PS2. So first of all, I would recommend to you, you should download all the Create a Wrestler textures for Here Comes the Pain. I made a package for you which you can download on this website on Old School Reunion. The link for this topic is in the video description. So just click download and then click download again and click download anyway and you get the zip archive. Alright, I already have this. So when you have extracted this archive, you get the following files. There are over 25,000 files and I would recommend you to sort the files by type and to set a thumbnail view. So scroll down to the JPEG files where you can see the textures. Yeah, in this tutorial I want to apply a body and leg texture for CM Punk, which you can download on Old School Reunion 2. This is the texture. I can open it in Image Studio if you want to see. This is the texture. Alright, so I will search for body and leg textures. I will use the files in ED41, I believe. Let's scroll down a little bit. 41, 41, 41. These are the body accessoires. Alright, it starts here. I will replace the following texture and I will replace this texture. Alright, in the file name you can see where this file is located. It is located in the ED41 file and then in the pack file which is called 0C. So we need this pack archive, so you need your Here Comes the Pain ISO extracted with expert.exe or something and you get this. So, and because we want to edit the 41 file, we need to go into ED4 and there we have our file, which is this. So now you need a Hex Editor and first of all we need to search for this file name and open the BPE file in an Hex Editor. I will use Hex Workshop. Alright, offset to F and we will search in the whole ED41 .pack with an Hex Editor for some lines. So just copy some and select hex values, paste and OK. So you see it is there. Write down the location of the row with pack written in. In this case it will be 15,000. So I will just make a text file and copy the location in there. Alright, so but we want to have the whole pack, so we need to find out how big this pack archive is. So we just search for the string pack in uppercase and we click match case. OK, and we search the location. So it was 15,000 and the next archive starts at 16,000. So we just click on there and choose edit and select block, ending position, and we need to type in now not 16,000 but 15,000 FFF. So we have selected 1000 bytes in hex. Then we copy this and create a new file and paste it. Offset to F. And we have the pack file where our desired texture is in. So just save it. I will call it CM Punk body and legs .pack. Save. Alright. Now we need to open this file and we do that with the program Xpacker. Here it is, so just click on File, Open, PS2 PSP Wrestler Pack, and search for your pack archive. So where is mine? It should be here. So we have in there a BPE file, which is the texture compressed, and the 20 file, which is some definition file, but we don't need to bother about that. So we click on inject file, then we inject our 00.tm2. Make sure you have the right name. Alright, open, file injected successfully, and there we go. And we can close the Xpacker program. And all we need to do now is to import this pack back to the ED41. So we will do it by the following. We open ED41 again with the Hex Editor. And we remember it is at 15,000. So we go to 15,000. Alright. There it is, and select the same as we did before. Alright, and then we need to open our new pack archive, also in the Hex Workshop program or in any other Hex editor. Select all and copy all, and we replace the old pack archive. Alright. One thing we need to do now is to set the file size in the header of ED41. So I always set the offset to 3. Then we go to 800. At 800 is always the header where the file sizes are set. We go to that. Alright, here we see the file names, and since we had I will take a look, which was it? It was 0C, so it is there, and this is the part where the file size is set. So how to calculate the file size now? It is very easy. Just go to the end of your new pack archive and search for the last row before all the zeros. So in this case it should be here. There is a 5 before all the zeros, and we need this location at the full 0. So we need to copy this location. In this case it is 8460. Copy that. Then we need a hex calculator. I will use the Windows one. Alright, don't forget to set it to developer. Then set to hex, paste it in here, and divide it by 100, and you get 84, and add 1, and you have your file size. It will be 0085, but the header wants to reverse that value, so it would be 8500. So 00 would be here. It is already set, so we just need to type in 85. So save, and we have done everything. Now we just need to rebuild the ISO, and I will do that with expert. Alright, expert. Then we need to select the plugin shrinker PS2 PSP CD DVD 5 ISO.ep, and we open our ISO, which is here. Here comes the pane ISO. I always extract the LBA again, and then we rebuild the file, and I will make a cut, and I will see you back when this is loaded. So the ISO has been rebuilt, so we click OK and rebuild LBA again. Alright, and I will use PCSX2 to start the game. Give me a minute. Desktop, and I have it under shortcuts. There is my emulator. Don't forget to set to the new ISO, which is called new, and then your original ISO name. I will start the game. Alright, as you can see here, the The game is muted, alright, so I don't bust your ears out or something. So let's wait a minute. There we see Brock Lesnar. And I will just create a new car, and then I will select the texture I just imported. Yes, we can skip all that shit. We know that. Alright, the intro. Press start button. I will do that. So create an appearance. Then new. I will select a male model when it's loaded. Yes, I will select male A. Appearance, then edit parts, accessoires, then upper and upper body accessoires. So the first one is the old one I had. So this is not the texture we just imported. So let's go a little bit right, and there we have our texture we have just imported. It fully works, so now you can import your own textures and create super cars in Smackdown. Here comes the pain. I hope I could help you, and leave a like if you understand everything, or if you like the video, or do whatever you want, and I will see you next time. Have a nice day and bye.